I'm sure your heat has been on full blast lately. It's been a cold December, too.
For sure.
It really has. Typically, I mean, we don't really start to see the coldest weather until January, February,
Right.
it seems like. You know, we have plenty of days in the 50s and 60s. Not this month, not so far anyway.
Maybe we can turn it down a little bit today, though.
It's going to come up. Temperatures are closer to average, so we're excited about that. Kara, temperatures, though, thus far have been cold, to say the least. 10.3 degrees below normal has been the average high temperature through the first 9 days of December. That's a average high of 43 degrees. That's the second coldest that number has been for the first 9 days of December in the last 81 years. Second coldest. 2010, I believe, was the coldest. And you can see the outlook looking as we get into the later days of December, at least the middle days of December, looking just as cold, below average numbers by and large expected. And the main reason for that is the upper level pattern is that this trough persistently bringing these cold air masses really from central Canada down into the east. And so we've had these reinforcing shots of polar and Arctic air making appearances, and that's really kept our numbers down. We've also had a very active wet weather pattern, and so cold air and moisture often brings a threat for snow, and we got another system taking shape, and this is more of a mountain chance. I think by later tonight we could see a changeover from what should start as some rain showers in our western counties and then changing over to snow. We've been tracking this impulse all morning long. I've been waiting for any ground level confirmation that we have flurries falling near the Virginia border, especially Surrey County, Stokes, and then getting into Patrick County, Virginia. We've seen a few flakes on a camera here and there, but nothing substantial. It is not expected to impact travel at all. In fact, it's starting to fizzle a little bit more. But it is creating some early cloud cover. Temperatures are ranging anywhere from the upper 20s to lower 30s this morning. Certainly a cold start to what should be a milder day as our winds start to change direction ahead of that system coming in from the west. So temperatures will rise pretty quickly. We'll be close to well, at least mid to upper 40s by lunchtime today. Even the mountains should get into the 40s today before that wet weather starts to move in. This will likely start as a mix of rain and snow, or even just plain rain before temperatures come down. Check out Triad temperatures. Some sunshine today. High temperatures getting back in the lower 50s again. As temperatures start to come down this evening, we're expecting a change over to snow, and it could see a couple of inches of snow, especially along the western slopes, through about late Thursday morning before that begins to fizzle out. So Thursday will be a colder day. We'll start out close to freezing with temperatures getting back in the 40s. Then Friday is interesting. Another system coming through the Ohio and Tennessee valleys will create an opportunity for snow. Most of the models are taking this through West Virginia and central Virginia, but some of them are trying to bring a little burst of snow in through Friday. Again, not looking very impactful. We're not adding a chance for any wet or wintry weather to Friday as of yet, but it's something that we'll be watching pretty closely in the coming days and see kind of how things end up. Potential snowfall as we head into Wednesday into Thursday, about 1 to 3 inches across the western slopes. Strong winds will come into that too. There's a blizzard warning for the West Virginia mountains. They're expecting gusts to 45 miles per hour. Our gusts will be closer to 30 miles per hour here locally. That winter weather advisory goes into effect at 1 o'clock today through 10 o'clock on Thursday. High temperature near 51. Winds are pretty strong today across the Triad with gusts to 30 miles per hour. In the foothills, expect highs in the mid to upper 40s today. A small chance we could see a few raindrops there this afternoon. And for the mountains, highs in the lower 40s. Better chance for snow showers this evening as temperatures cool down, but it could start as some rain. Another system comes in late Saturday and Sunday, could bring a few Triad raindrops then.